we've got the Boulder Flight Systems OnFlight hub that I'll use for aerobatic flying to evaluate my flights. Let's take a look at this, do an unboxing. First thoughts, I like the box. I wasn't expecting a box to be branded this way, but I like that it says Boulder Flight Systems. Very nice. All right, on top we've got the card from the founder and CEO, Brian. Boulder Flight Systems, flight control and data acquisition. Very nice. Looks like he provided a sticker. Very good. And what's this? Another sticker. A magnet. Yep, a magnet. That's cool. Didn't expect to get a little extra there. And here it is. The OnFlight hub. All right, there it is. Not very big. Looks like about 4 inches by 3 inches or so. Has a GoPro type mount on the top, looks like. Yep, that would be the top. On the bottom, we've got the 1/4-20 mount, which is how I'm going to mount the OnFlight in my airplane, is using the 1/4-20. And on the front, looks like a micro SD slot, USB charging, the on-off switch. We have 5 LEDs, power, status, low battery, charge, and full charge. It's a nice feeling switch. That switch feels like quality. On the side, we've got markings to let us know to mount this forward and this part up. So it'll sit like that in my airplane. Looks like nothing else in the box. I'll set that to the side. Well, there you have it. The OnFlight hub by Boulder Flight Systems. Has a matte white finish, slightly coarse feeling. Looks like screws going through to probably nuts on the other side. Feels solid. Very good. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing.